All right, weekly update. Did not do too hot. I'm down 4 Rs. 4 Rs. And this is the end of the month. So at the end of the month, down almost 4 Rs in my funded account. This is where it's at. I was doing pretty good. I forgot where I brought this up to at one point, but I'd have to go check my other videos or my old journal. This is where I'm at. Today I did not take any trades in my eval. At one point last week, this was below 1,000, and so I brought it up. Some things that I'm kind of like trying to point out that I needed to work on this week. To be honest, this was a short week. This is the last trading week of the month, and I probably should have just stayed away. Just like I said in last week videos. This sounds very familiar. I want to show you a freaking example of this where I wasn't super patient on letting my entries get filled. I'm going to show it what happened today because it's so annoying. It's like when you hit your pinky toe on the wall. You know, you just want to it's just so annoying. But another thing I noticed that I need to add here, I don't know why, I have been scared to trade my funded account. Like, I've been wasting, I don't want to say wasting, but I'm going to say that for now. I've been wasting good setups and good trades for my eval. Excuse me, I've been a little sick, so if I sniffle and stuff like that, you know why. Yeah, I've been scared to trade, so like, I don't know why, but I probably haven't been back trading enough or something. So, yep, I also risked too much last Wednesday on some trades. Wasn't supposed to do that. Let me just show you this. I have to because it is just so annoying. Okay. This is what I'm talking about when I say not patient enough to let my entries get filled. So on the daily, on M&Q, this was the daily candle we just had. The open was right here, which is an inside open from yesterday's candle. So it was an inside day, right? And on inside days like this, I like to not really focus on the 10 EMA strategy. I look for sort of I do kind of like a buy low, sell high type of approach at that point. And really, I'm just looking for candlestick patterns, and the two candlestick patterns that I look for are double tops and double bottoms. So last night, I literally saw this little tiny double top on the 3-minute chart. I mean, I'm like, great. Okay, so I already know this is an inside candle so far. If we really, if I wake up tomorrow, which is now today, and we haven't just blasted through this, I'll probably play this little tiny double top, And sure enough, I wake up, I saw that it did well. It held right here. We opened down here. I'm watching price come up. I literally have a limit order just like this. And as you can see, price came right here, very close to my entry. And it just started going down, right? Because it went down so hard, I'm like, dang it, I missed it. I missed it. And started getting a little bit of FOMO. And at that point, I said, well, I missed it, and if it comes back up, I don't trust it anymore and it got rejected one time, and I was counting this one as 2 times, And on the third time, especially fourth time, I'm like, I don't know, like how many times is something going to get rejected? Especially on the 3-minute. It's a smaller time period. And then I scrolled back and saw this just area in general had been rejected already like so many times. So I was like, I don't know if we come back up. I don't think I'll trust this double top anymore. I kind of wanted to get in on the first or second try, real like retest of that neckline. Yeah, so maybe you call this not being patient enough, but if I would have just literally left this trade open, I would have gotten filled and had a really nice 2R win or more, even if I let it ride all the way down to here. But it got out right here. That's insane. So that's an example of having, I didn't take my time to pull up these examples, but I did this the other day. I'm trying to remember what exactly it was, but I've done this now several times where I have great or, good trade ideas for me, and then I doubt them and then do something else, and yeah, just fails, So I need to write that sometime. I need to really back trade to get over trading in my funded account. I don't know if I'm going to pass this eval before the renewal comes up, but I realize right now I just cannot have one funded account. I put too much pressure on it, and I maybe put too much pressure on myself. I've gotten better with that, but it's obviously not good enough to where I end up making really dumb mistakes in my funded accounts. So yeah, I'm confident that I'll bring it back up. The drawdown, I just really want to make it to a payout, I'm trying not to think so much about it. And I know I'm going to get there, but it is a little hard. It's hard when I can pass evals and it just goes wrong with funded accounts. Like it's getting very annoying. And I don't know, I got to really figure out what's going on, because as of super recently, I'm scared to trade the funded account, and I'll take really good setups in my eval. Like yesterday was a very good example of just, I was gonna play this in my funded account and just totally doubted it, and took this really nice trade in the eval. It was very thought out. It was great. So anyways, I'm going to probably write out some more things that I need to work on. This FOMO one is still there. Not trading on a short week. Obviously this week, I did the opposite of this. So that's my update. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next one.